Hi guys, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming here. I really appreciate. I hope you are doing great wherever you are. By the way, how are you doing? You are very welcome to my channel. And as you can see, today we are doing a DIY. And for this DIY, we are going to be making aloe vera conditioner for my natural hair. And basically, as you can see, we need aloe vera and we're gonna need some natural oil. So for this process, it's not necessarily that you use the oils I am going to use here, but you can use your favorite natural oil. It will work the best. So as you can see, we need the gel inside, so that's why I am just removing the outer part, and then I'm going to scoop the gel out of the leaf, and then thereafter you will see what it will follow. So if this is your first time to come across my channel, thank you so much for coming here and for considering to watch my video. So kindly subscribe, like this video, and also watch this video to the end without forgetting to leave a comment in the comment section below. And also you can share this video with your friends so that it can be, you may never know, it can be so helpful to someone outside there. So to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate. What can I say? I'm so thankful for you. So we scoop out the gel, as you can see, and then after that we're going to mix with the oils and then we blend. So by the way, this was the first time I was trying this and I was not sure if it is going to work, or maybe it's going to backfire, or maybe it's going to make my hair flaky. I was not sure about that. So basically I just told myself I just have to try it, and if it backfires, I'm going to just wash my hair and rinse it and then continue. So that's what happens with the DIY. So mostly when you're doing it, you're not sure if it's going to work or not. So you just try, and then when it works, well and good. When if it doesn't, it's also better, so you move on and you do something else. So this is a mixture of olive oil, coconut oil, and castor oil. So then after that, you also want to add some little bit of warm water. Warm water will help in just making sure it mixes so well. And you can see our mixture, our conditioner is looking so cute, and I can promise you this conditioner was so good to my hair. I didn't believe what happened. Like, I sprayed to my hair, and then after spraying I filled in moisture. Like, this time I was trying something differently. It was so different to my hair, so I sprayed this to my hair, and then I sealed in that moisture with this oil up here, baby care. Like, I was just trying it. I have never watched it somewhere, or maybe I know how it works. No, I just said I want to just try something new to my hair, and guess what? My hair, when I woke up the following day, it was so soft, it was bouncy, shiny, and I loved everything. So after 2 days, I remoisturized my hair using the same conditioner, the same process. And then, okay, that was the second time, the same week. And then now I'm remaining with some little bit of the conditioner that I am saving it for the next wash day. So I'm so happy that my hair loved this conditioner. It was so good.
So guys, this is our leave-in conditioner. It is ready to be used. So basically what I'm going to be doing right now, I'm just going to spray it to my hair, and remember, you do not rinse it out. You leave it in your hair. So I hope you understood how we made it. So if you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. So let's go ahead and apply the leave-in conditioner.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me